What's good, guys? Welcome. Before I start this, I know you guys are probably thinking like, yo, why is this kid in his room right now during an intro? But let me explain myself. I was gonna do it outside, like right before I walked into the stores I was walking into, but I couldn't because the sun was going down and I was like, yo, it's not gonna work. So I decided I'm gonna do it in my room. So let me explain the video. This little spray bottle of water, I'm gonna be going up to people behind them and I'm just gonna be doing achoo, a little sneeze prank on them. And people are probably gonna be like, what just happened? Did this kid really just sneeze on me? And I'm gonna like gas it up a little bit and explain myself. Before we get into this video, don't check out all my social medias right here, so it's in the description. Do me a favor, follow me on my Instagram, follow me on my Snapchat, follow me on my Twitter. Connect with me more outside YouTube. And also, please, when you watch my videos, please give it a big thumbs up. Please like it helps me out a lot. And subscribe if you're not subscribed already. It takes you 2 seconds. It's free. It's easy. I mean, come on, let's do this. Achoo! I'm sorry, man. I have the flu. I'm really sick. I'm sorry. Did I get you?
You should be careful.
I'm sorry, I have the flu. Achoo! Sorry. Did I sneeze on you or no? Yeah. I sneezed on you? Yeah. Sorry, man. I just got quarantined. They just thought I was sick for like a couple months, but today's my first day out. Yeah, if I were you, I'd go to the bathroom, wash your hands. I'm like really sick. The bathroom's in the back over there.
Yeah, I know.
Want me to walk with you to the bathroom? No, I'll help you. Come on.
No problem.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right. Just really sick, man.
No problem.
Thanks, man. You want me to help you or no?
No, thank you.
Achoo! Sorry, did I sneeze on you?
Yeah.
I did?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm like sick, that's why. I just got out of quarantine. They let me out like a couple weeks ago, so I'm still a little sick. Yeah. Sorry about that. Do you want me to, I'll show you where the bathroom is if you want to like wash your hands and stuff.
No.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry. Achoo! Did I sneeze on you?
Yeah.
I sneezed on you?
Yeah.
Sorry, I have the flu.
Oh.
Ah!
I have the flu. Sorry.
Oh, that's okay. Oh, yeah.
Sorry. You want me to
No.
blow?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get away.
Get away? I'm sorry. Alright, so I took a quick little break from filming that prank. I'm telling you guys right now, I've never missed a penalty. The Jordan Pickford's gonna make it a little hard for me. You have Venmo? No. You have Cash App? I was gonna make you a deal, but it looks like you're out of luck. Talk to him. I don't miss. Oh shit! You gotta wear cleats on this fucking turf. I almost just tore my ACL. Fuck that. Joel, take some kicks. Achoo!
Oh, man.
Did I sneeze on you?
Yeah, you did.
I did?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, bro. I have the flu.
So why you sneeze on me, man?
Huh?
Why you sneeze on me?
I'm sorry, dude. I just really have the flu. Sorry, hey, sorry.
No, man, that's cool.
Sorry. I just have the flu. I've been like really out of it.
Do it.
Achoo! He didn't even feel that. Like that didn't even feel that shit. I sprayed him right on his neck. He just like nothing ever happened. Yep, the video's over, and that means I'm not gonna see you guys probably for another week. It's pretty sad. But the videos I'm gonna be doing this summer are gonna be crazy as hell. So I hope you guys have the bell turned on, because I'm telling you, you're not gonna wanna miss a beat or a video every single Monday. It's going to be intense. It's going to be fire. Just make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're telling your friends. Make sure you're sharing the videos. And make sure you're following me on all my social medias right here. I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to keep doing more. Strive for greatness every single day. I love every single one of you. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for helping the movement. And thank you for just being you and making me just do me. That didn't make any sense. But I'll see you guys later. I love every single one of you. Peace out.